Good morning, class. I am going to be your first grade teacher this year, and I cannot wait to meet each and every single one of you. But for right now, I'm going to talk a little about myself so you guys can get to know me and your parents can get to know about me. But to start off, I'm going to tell you my name. My name is Miss Scoggins, but please call me Miss S for short. Scoggins is too long, too complicated, so please call me Miss S. But I'm going to talk a little about myself. I am 20 years old, and this is my first year teaching, and I'm already obsessed with it. I have started our lessons already. We're going to have fun, and I cannot wait to teach you guys and get to know you. But I do have a little dog. His name is Kipper. He is a Chihuahua. And I named him Kipper because when I was your age, there was a show called Kipper the Dog, and I was obsessed. So I named my very first puppy after that dog, Kipper. But I do have an older sister, Jessica. She's also a teacher, Miss George. She also loves teaching. I decided to follow in her footsteps, and we're loving it. I have a younger brother named Jeremy, and he is doing his own thing. But my favorite subject is math. I love math. Most people don't, but I love math. It's very fun for me. My favorite food is pasta. My favorite color is purple. Everything I own is purple. I'm a little too obsessed. My favorite drink is sweet tea. I am from the South, so I drink sweet tea every day, all day. My favorite restaurant is Chili's. They have the best cheese dip in the world, and I get it every single time. My favorite animal is a giraffe, and I did insert a little picture of me and a giraffe, and that was the best day of my life. My favorite season is spring, which is during my birthday. My birthday is in April, so spring is my favorite. My favorite movie is Tangled. I am obsessed with that movie. I love the story. I love the Princess Rapunzel. We love that movie. What I do in my free time? I spend time with my friends and family as much as I can. We do everything together. We go to the beach, so I inserted a beach. We do love hanging out with the fam, but on my own, I watch way too much TikTok. So if I see a TikTok, I'm definitely going to show you guys. If I think of you, we're going to be watching some funny TikToks. I read a lot of books. We love books. We're also going to read books this year. They're going to be good books, I promise. They're going to be fun. I used to work at the mall, so I love shopping. I shop way too much, spend way too much money. It's an issue. But every summer I do go on vacation to get away, to enjoy myself, hang out with friends and family. We love vacation. My dream vacation is Hawaii. That's the goal. School is important, you guys, and I'm going to take you on my school journey. I graduated high school in May of 2019. I received my associate's degree in early childhood education in the summer. I transferred to SIUE, which is like the bigger college, to further my education because you can't ever have too much education. I joined the early childhood education program to become a teacher. This shows you everything you need to know to become a teacher. I learned so much, had so much help. I loved all my own teachers. So I'm going to be the exact same way. You guys are going to love me, I promise, hopefully. But I became a first grade teacher and I love every single minute of it, and I cannot wait to teach you guys. It's only a few days away, but that is the end of this. You could definitely rewatch it if you want to, but please show your parents. I want them to get to know me as well. But I will have an email for you guys. You can always ask me any more questions about me, about literally anything. Tell me about yourself, but we will have that time in class. Cannot wait to meet you guys. Have a good day.